Welcome to ClassFlow Questions. So I've logged into my ClassFlow account. I've gone to My Resources, chosen New Item Bank, and given it a title and clicked Save. So today we're going to talk about 3 of the 12 question types that you can add in ClassFlow. So we're going to start at the bottom and we're going to use the bottom 3, and maybe we'll take a bonus and talk about labeling an image. But we're going to start here and go through some of the settings so that you can see how this works. So here in this first box, when I choose Cloze as my question type, I'm going to type in the directions for the students. Choose the word for each blank. So when I scroll down, here I can choose what the students are going to do to fill in the blanks that I choose. Do I want them to type them in, short text? Do I want them to choose from a drop-down list? Or do I want them to drag and drop? So I'm going to choose drop-down. And here I am going to give them the passage with the blanks. So right this minute, instead of blanks, I'm going to hit the dash key. So today is, or I'm just going to type the whole thing. Today is their first sleepover. They're very excited. Over there are the sleeping bags. Then I'm going to take the words that I want to blank, highlight them, and click the prompt. So you see as I do that, when I highlight them, they've already put the correct answers. So here I'm going to say, there is another choice, and there. I'm going to do that for each of these. And 2 more. So now I've created my directions and my question for my students. I can choose scoring, so they're going to get 1 point for this. I can decide to give them feedback as well if they get it incorrect. I'm not going to do those things right now, so I'm just going to hit save, and we're going to talk about the next question type. So the next question type, I'm going to add new question, match list. So just as it says, like last time, I'm going to put the directions here, match each singular with its plural. And I'm going to have them be randomized so that they get different orders. So baby, so 1, A is 2. And I like to type in both options and then match them in the grid below as I go instead of waiting I have correct answers as I go. So we'll go with one more. You get the process. So one option from the right column, one option from the left column, and then down here, which two columns match. So again, I can choose scoring and feedback options if I want to, and I'm going to press save. Question type number 3 is our choice matrix. So add new question, choice matrix. Again, what are my directions? So choose if each statement is a fact or opinion. So my options for them are fact or opinion, and you see them start to change down below in the matrix. We'll just do a couple of statements. Chocolate chip cookies are the best. Leaves grow on trees. And there are 60 seconds in a minute. We'll start with those 3. So now I come down to my matrix. Cookies are the best is an opinion. Leaves grow on trees, fact. There are 60 seconds in a minute is also a fact. So those are my correct answers. Again, scoring and feedback. Press save. And one more bonus question for today. Label an image. A lot like the last 2. Directions. So match the words with each part of the book. And instead of having them fill in the blank, I'm going to have them drag and drop. So the image, I have an image here in my resource library, so I'm going to choose that. I could upload or search Bing Images. I'm just going to use the one I already have. And here are my markers. So I'm going to put them on the different parts of the book that I want students to label. So 1, 2, 3, 3 down here. So 1 is the title. 2 is the author. 3 is the spine. And 4 is the back cover. To go up here, make sure I grab 4. Scored incorrect, and I'm going to hit save. So there you have 4 different question types that you can ask using ClassFlow.